So guys, are we live now? Are we live on YouTube? Are we live on YouTube? So yes, we were discussing some trades in our community session, and we will be following up and sharing those trades with you also. So let's see. Let me discuss the chart that we were already discussing. We discussed this trade in our community, right? This trade that we call this trade as S4 in our community, and we discussed this trade from here to here. Somehow we missed the entry because we were looking at another chart, but yes, this trade gave us beautiful target from this trend line to this trend line. For now, if it has to go bullish in gold, if it has to go bullish, then you'll have to wait for a proper breakdown of this trend line, wait for breakout of this trend line and a retest. Enter only at retest. Do not enter if it goes just like this. If a single candle gives a breakout, don't make an entry here. Wait for some time correction to happen here. Wait for price to spend some time here, give us a proper breakout and a retest. Then only the safer entry will be if we can see a breakout of this level. You get a breakout here, a retest, then this will be a perfect setup. And if it decides to come down, in that case, wait for a proper breakdown of this trend line. All right. Yes. And wait for a proper breakdown, and we are expecting a bullish move from this area as well. This is a good area, and there is a high chance of market rising from this area. If there's a breakdown of this trend line, no, just don't keep on sitting till below, but because there is a chance of market rising from this level. If you get a breakdown till here, try to just be alert and exit your sell trade if at all you're planning to enter. And as always, do keep on checking what dollar is doing, because this trade that you're seeing that we discussed in our community, this trade helped us decide what to do, what not to do. We could decide it through dollars move, that is DXY's move, and through what are other dots doing. We were matching different dots to see what different dots are doing, to give us an indication whether we should make an entry in gold or not. All right. So yes, gold gave a good move from this area. Now coming on to German 30. Yes, this is a good area for a buy scalp. Just keep the target till here. If there is a breakout of this, yes, let us see what will be our risk if we make an entry here. No, this has to be our SL. ESL, yes, this is 1.5 risk reward ratio. We can make an entry accordingly, since our SL is approximately 14 points. So accordingly, we will have to decide our quantity, and if it works, it can go up till here. If we see a breakout of this area, this wick, we can plan a bullish trade. Accordingly, we will check what is happening in dollar. If there is a fall in dollar, only then we will go for a bullish trade in German 30, otherwise not. See, this fall in dollar helped gold's upward move. This fall in dollar helped gold's movement. And now if dollar falls from here, this zone, if there's a breakdown of this zone, if dollar breaks down this zone, we can see further movement upwards in gold as well as in German 30. But since dollar has reversed for now, if dollar reverses like this only, we see an upward movement in dollar, then a bullish trade in German 30 will be risky. So this trade will be risky. So we will wait. We will wait. We will keep on checking what dollar is doing. Otherwise, see, dollar is our best friend here. It helps us, it's a very good friend. It helps us. It helps us save our capital. Gives us an indication whether we should make an entry in some trade or not. All right. See, there was a fake out and again the price is coming down. So do not make an entry without until and unless the price properly stays, does some time correction on the trend line and then gives a breakout or breakdown. So if they wait for such some such kind of formation here. What silver is doing? Silver is going up. Silver is going up. See, gold and silver both went up from here. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yes. See, these two are both good buying areas. This area from where the market has currently risen, this area and this area were two good buying areas for silver, and silver is giving a rise from this area. Silver is giving a rise from this area. Now, what is our next move? If you get silver at this area, something like this. One thing is, if you get it above this zone, there's a proper breakout of this zone, then you can plan a buy above this zone till here. But if it comes down for a retest, this will be a good buy area, at least till here. All right, but as of now, do not make an entry here because this zone could be an area for reversal also. So either wait for it to give a proper breakout of this zone. It stays here for some time, gives you an space for retest. You make an entry at retest, and you can keep your target till here. All right. So the target won't be so bad. This is approximately around 1 second. You get it somewhere here. See, make this entry only if your SL is manageable here. If you're somehow able to decide and keep your SL somewhere here, in that case only make an entry. As the price move forwards, then accordingly our SL will be decided. So it will be a good scalp. Otherwise, if there is a price correction, which should happen because it should come, because according to the structure that we study here, it should come down till here for a retest, and it should give us a good entry here. All right. Now see, AUD/USD is also in time correction mode right now. All right, wait for a breakout of this area in bigger time frame, but a rejection is also possible from here like this. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. This is AUD/USD. So yes, in smaller time frame, there we could get a breakout. From smaller time frame, we could get a breakout of this trend line till here. Then you should not keep on sitting for it to go up, because in the bigger time frame, the setup is not in our favor because we are expect is not in favor of bullishness, because from here a reversal is highly probable. This area is a good area, this is a good level, this is a good zone, and market could reverse from here. So if you get a scalp from here to here, that is, if you get a bullish scalp from here to here, that is one thing, but a reversal is possible from here. So in that case, in smaller time frame, accordingly you can plan. All right, what is happening in German 30? German 30, guys, we're getting a chance for, we're getting an entry. 1 second, we discussed this trade in our academy. Initially initially this was the setup which was hit, and then we were waiting for it to give us an entry here. It actually did give an entry in this zone, and it again went up also. Now it becomes risky to make an entry here. Becomes a little risky because after the retest, a move has already come till here. After the retest, a move has already come till here, so we will have to wait. It is already given a target. See, one entry was this, one entry was this was one entry, and another was a retest. So retest has already happened and a small move has already come. So it becomes a little risky to enter again in this area. Let me remove this, okay? यहाँ वेट करेंगे, we'll wait here. When market again comes here, we'll have to wait. We will have to wait and match other dots. If other dots, for example dollar or gold, just keep on checking them, see what they're doing at that time when it comes here. Because one moment has already come, right? It has come here, it again gave us a retest, and see, it went up, came down for retest. It actually gave two entries here on a smaller time frame, 1 minute time frame. If you see, we're getting two entries. Came here, rose up, went for a retest, and again, see, again we're getting this entry. There were two entries that we got two entries here. And if it again comes here on this level, or let me mark the zone, if we get the market again at the zone, right? So again we could expect a bullish move, but this time it's not that safe, because a move has already come from here. A move has already come from here, so it might just come down to this level as well. At least till here. It might just come down at least till here. Sorry, so sorry. Locked it. Yes, it might come down till here. So yes, agar aap, if you're planning to make an entry here, no, just if you're planning to make an entry here, don't see aa gayi fall, right? It has already come till here. It is already here. We had a news at 7:30. We had a news at 7:30. Somehow sales not so strong, but we are seeing some late effect. It can come down till here easily. It has already come also. a bullish trade could be planned. But wait for this candle to close. Don't enter midway. If this candle comes here to touch and then it rises up, wait for the next candle to form. Wait for the retest candle to form and give us a breakout. Don't, so that we are able to decide our SL. Otherwise, we don't know, because this candle, you never know, might move from here to here or here. We never know, right? So to decide our SL, just wait for this candle to close and the other candle to at least go in our direction. Keep on matching other dots as well. Let's move on to oil. Oil has already given the target. This was the trade that you know oil has already given a target. This was the trade, and now what is yes. Another entry is, if you get an entry somewhere here around this level or around this if you get an entry somewhere around 65.561, in that case you can plan a sell here, but just connect other dots. Also check what DXY is doing at that time. If DXY is going up, so oil should move down. Check what Canadian dollar is doing. Yes, check what Australian dollars is doing. The big yes, for WTI, check and what Canadian dollar is doing, oil producer. So this is our setup. If price gives us an entry somewhere here, it is big time frame, because if you make an entry here and you sell here, your SL will be too big. Your SL will have to be here, somewhere here at least. So try to make your entry as close as possible to your SL, so that your SL is very small and you're able to risk. Don't enter midway. All right. USD CAD. 1 second. USD CAD could be sold if yes, if there's a breakdown of this zone, right? Just let me check all the time frames for you. What's happening? See, if you get a 1 second. If you get a breakdown of this zone, right? If you get a breakdown of this zone, you can expect your target at least till here. At least till here, you can expect it to come. It is 4-hour time frame. Might just come in one candle also. If it spends some more time in the zone, might just come, but it might take time, because it is a 4 hours candle. Also will take 4 hours, right? Even if it comes down in 1 hour, it'll take time. But yes, if there's a fall in USD CAD, you can see an upward move in WTI. All right. Oh no, just 1 second. If there's a fall in CAD, will go up, and oil should also go up. So yes, if you see an upward move in WTI also goes up. Yes, don't go bearish in WTI if you see a fall in USD CAD. I hope I'm clear. Don't go bearish in this. Don't go bearish in WTI if you see a bearish move in USD CAD. Give me a moment, okay? Just give me a moment, guys. Just give me a moment. 1 second. Just 1 second. All right. Yes. So if I made myself clear, see if USD CAD falls, what will happen? USD CAD falls. That means dollar is getting weak and Canadian dollar is getting strong. If Canadian dollar is getting strong, so WTI should also become strong. So if there is a fall in USD CAD, do not go bearish in WTI. All right. All right. Let us see what is happening in Euro USD. I'll give you this 4 hour trend line, right? On a bigger time frame, you can see if there's a proper breakout of this trend line and a retest, you can plan an entry. This will be a good entry here. All right, let's quickly move to but US 100 and US 30 are doing. Just let me see. Yes. See the you can already see there's a after this expansion a fall is coming, a correction is happening. If you get the price here somewhere here, if you get an entry, if you get the price at around 45215.9, 45215.9, somewhere around here in this zone, you can go bullish here. All right, but do not make a bullish entry right now. Wait for it to do this correction. All right, what is happening in US 100? Again, US 100, if you get a correction in US 100 till this area, it did come here, right? You can see it did come down for a correction, as you can see, as we expect, but it moved a little bit above from where we were expecting it to come. Yes, it has already done the correction and it is moving up. Now what we can do is we can wait for a proper breakout of this zone. Yes, wait for a proper. See, you can see this trend line, right? Now, one moment. You can make an entry at the retest of this trend line. 1 second. If you get a proper retest entry here, you can make an entry here for the bullish side. Just match other dots that you see for US 100. Wait for a proper retest and a entry. We were expecting it to come here and rise, all right, but it has already moved thoda sa upar se it has moved, right? It has given a move from a little above our place. So yes, at the retest of the trend line, if you get the price, you can make an entry. US 30, same US 30 I've already discussed. Yes, it comes down till here, you can make an entry, bullish entry. Ethereum is at the right place for you to make an entry. Yes. 1 second. Ethereum has also done the correction that this move has come. Yes. Now, if you can get this price at this area, at this level, if you get the price at this level, you can plan a bullish entry, or above this level, if there's a proper breakout of this area and a retest, in that case you can plan it till here. See, target at least should be till here, but I'm just being conservative so that you don't come out of profit once you come into it. If there's a proper breakout of this area, wait for a retest, enter on retest and wait till here. Okay. BTC, nothing much I think for today. One second. Give me a moment. Let me see if there's anything in BTC. Mm, I think you should wait in BTC because one second. Ethereum is giving us a good setup. Yes, in the lower time frame also Ethereum setup is good. Ethereum is good. You might get a rejection here once, but this is a strong level. It again should rise from here. A rejection from here is probable. A rejection from somewhere here or around this area is probable. So, but after that, it will come here to retest. So, an upside move is possible because this is a strong area. This is a strong level and strong zone. All right. US 100, US 100, US 100. We've already discussed it, right? If you get it at retest, you can plan a bullish trade. Ethereum BTC you are seeing, right? BTC again, this is a strong level. What is happening at 15 minutes? What is happening at 30 minutes? 1 hour. Alright. So on a daily time frame, either might just rise from here or it can do a correction at least till this area. 1 second. Let me give you a small scalp in BTC. Okay. Just give me a moment, guys. I'm looking for the right entry for you all. So benefit. I want you all to benefit from it. Four hours. 1 hour. This zone. See, if there's a proper breakout of the zone, two things can happen. Either the market can reverse from the zone like this, or if the market stays here for some time, moves out, does a proper retest, and then this is possible. This is the target that you can expect. This is the target that you can expect. All right. I hope I'm making myself clear. Either this is possible, or it might just do some time correction here, gives you a retest and your target till here, or on 1 hour it might just remove it. Or it might get rejected from this area according to 1 hour time frame and according to 5 minutes as well, and then this target is expected. All right, so keep your SL in mind and trade mindfully. BTC, see, cryptos are always risky. You get big spikes here. See, look at the movement, look at the 1 hour candle, look at these wicks which are forming. So it's a bit risky, but yes, if you trade within your structure, if you've marked your SL and your target, you will not lose. you wait for your setup and you do not enter in hurry, then there is no problem. All right, guys, I think we've discussed all the setups for the day. Just keep on tracking them. Whenever you are getting, you see gold is coming near your entry. It is coming near your entry. If you get if you get an entry here, and at that time other dots, example silver and dollar, they're helping you. In that case, you can make an entry. What will be your SL here? Let us check it. What should be your SL? If you make an entry, यहाँ से entry लेना चाहिए हमें, right? Plan your entry from here. If it comes here, then and SLB, हमें यहाँ कहीं, this will be our SL. इससे ज़्यादा SL मत दीजिए, because अगर ये यहाँ से नीचे गिरा तो it will come till here. It will come till here. अगर ये यहाँ से, if it starts falling down from this level, right, it will come down till here. So it's better that you do not take that risk. All right, so you can make an entry. If it comes down, you can make an entry somewhere here. Try to keep your entry as close as to your SL. Just try to get the price in that appropriate zone, and yes, go bullish. So yes, all right, guys, I hope same scenario is happening in silver. See, silver, this trend line is forming in silver. You can form this trend line here, and for any movement upward now, just wait for a proper time correction here. It has already given this move. We're waiting for it to come at least till here, but yes, it has already moved up. So it has moved up, but our job is to see it moved up from, this was another area that was expected to give a movement up, and it has given up. Our job is to wait, and our job is not to enter midway. All right, we cannot catch every moment in the market, but whatever we catch should be in our favor. So yes, guys, I think we're done for the day. Trade smartly. Keep your SL in mind. Keep your SL in mind. Do check your risk reward ratio. Take your quantities. Plan your quantities according to your setup. If your risk is too big, then your quantity should be small. First of all, your risk should be managed. It should not be too big. You should plan your trade beforehand. See what will happen if it goes up from here. I make an entry here. I keep my SL here. I keep my target here. So that should be your plan. You should have already planned it. Okay, guys, I think we're done for the day. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.